Hello, my name is Andy Chubb from Ritchie Autos in Daytona Beach. Here's a brief video of the 2020 AT4 that you inquired about. I'll do a quick walk around here for you. Being an AT4, it's going to have pretty much every option you can put on it. It does have the 4-position tailgate. This is a carbon fiber, which is the different bed liner in it. Obviously it is 4-wheel drive. It is the 6.2 liter, which is the upgraded engine. It's not been cleaned yet. We just got it in. Here's the interior. It's a very nice truck. Does have sunroof. Has the digital rear view camera, backup camera, parking assist. There's the back street. Does have rear heated seat. Does have the all-weather floor mats. Had 6,228 miles. Navigation, learning garage door opener, Bluetooth for your phone, memory seat, heated and cooled seat in the front. Again, my name is Andy Chubb from Ritchie Autos in Daytona Beach. My cell number is 386-846-3591. You can also text me at that number if you have any other questions. Again, thank you for your inquiry, and I hope to hear from you soon.